Hi everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here. I am going to be working on a rainbow blowout. I really enjoy doing these and I think they're so much fun, and just looking at them it's bright. So that's what I'm going for. I'm going for something fun and bright. I will be listing the names of the colors down in the description below. I have mixed a couple of colors together, so it'll be a little tricky for me to try to tell you all of them right now. So stick with me. Let's see how much of a mess I make today. Wish me luck. I'm super excited that I decided to go out and put my blow dryer on the faster speed because I like these results just a little bit better. I like that it's just more, it's more vibrant. It's more, I don't know, it kind of looks like a rainbow flame to me. I'm glad I did it that way. I'm going to let this dry. I might fix that area. I don't know. I don't want to turn this into mud. So yeah, I think I'm fixing that area. Yep. Okay, that's it. I'm not messing with it anymore. I love it. I cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. Dry and I love it. I'm so happy that it dried well on my nice flat surface of my kitchen table. I've had a problem with a few others where there was too much paint here and they went all wonky. So this one gave me a run for my money for sure. I definitely fought this one. I still have some purple up here. I know you guys saw me add more purple to it, so I am happy I at least have that. I have only been able to do 2 of these. Every time I do it, they turn into mud, so I'm gonna keep practicing because I think this is a lot of fun. It's just like the sunflowers to me. I wanna be able to figure it out and do different colors and different styles. So, but this one, I really like it. I will tell you that this one still beats that one. I can't help it. I love this part right here. If you haven't seen the video for this one, then you gotta go check it out because this is pretty cool too. But this one, I'm really glad I stuck with it and I didn't let it defeat me. So if you have any name suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. I love hearing what other people see in paintings, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Hi everybody. I'm Cherish the Messy Painter, and I will be making a mess today, most definitely. I will be doing another rainbow blowout. I really enjoyed the project that I did before, and I'm really hoping that I can recreate that, but with different tones of colors and possibly not as messy. Yeah, right. I'm always gonna be messy. I'm messy. Hi everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here. I am working on a rainbow blowout. I've had 2 cups of coffee. I will be telling you what all of the paints that I'm using down in the description below because I am wired and I will not be able to tell you right now. No, seriously.